हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज मैं लेकर आया हूँ आप सबके लिए शारजा की मोस्ट ग्रीन कम्युनिटी, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल कम्युनिटी में 3 बेडरूम कैटेगरी का कॉर्नर टाउन हाउस। दिस इज़ द फ्रंट एलिवेशन ऑफ द हाउस। सो जैसे ही हम अंदर आते हैं घर के, वी हैव fully closed kitchen, fully fitted kitchen at your left side. Then as you enter inside, we have a maid's room, attached washroom के साथ. And then we have a laundry room and the extra storage space. Sorry, lights नहीं है इसके अंदर, तो you have to bear with me. It's just recently handed over, brand new house. So जैसे ही हम बाहर आते हैं, we have a powder room at our left side, your guest washroom. Then we have a huge living and dining space with your beautiful natural light coming inside the house, floor to ceiling windows. And as we walk into our first floor, सबके सब बेडरूम जो हैं वो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर हैं. Again, floor to ceiling windows. जैसे ही हम फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे आते हैं, we have a storage room. Then this is your master bedroom. It's very spacious. Comes with attached balcony. ये आपका वॉशरूम है, मास्टर वॉशरूम, which is also very spacious. Then your storage space. This is your sharing washroom. So जो 2 rooms हैं ऊपर, that comes with the sharing washroom. One is master and the other 2 is with sharing washroom. Again, this room also comes with the balcony. This is your third room. All the rooms has the fully fitted cabinets, floor to ceiling windows, and also this room is connected with your balcony also. So 2 room जो हैं वो एक balcony के साथ connected हैं. So this is all about the house, and the house size built up area is 2,200 square feet and the plot area is approximately 1,900 square feet. It's L-shaped garden, as you can see.